So we are checking off all the items, all the fans. So all fans must be checked individually and sign off before they go into storeroom. They're coming back out of the storeroom to be sold. They are checked again. So there are many steps in the verification process before it comes to you, our customers. So we have to examine each and every one, ensure that they are working. So for example, this fan here, we have to pull it out of the plastic, check to make sure that there is no damage and it is actually working. Yes, part of the process. Check everything. So if it is 500 fans, we have to check every single one of them before they go into storeroom. And we have to ensure that everything is in the box and no part is missing. Sometimes supplier will send us and this piece is missing. It's a small thing, so we have to check for that as well. So we check for everything. And these days we are also testing the charger before we put it in the vehicle for distribution, not before going to the storeroom, because that's a lot of work. So we have to check for everything. It's a lot of work, but I love doing it. Welcome back to our channel, guys. So someone asked the question, how do you know when the solar fan is fully charged? If you're charging by the solar panel, it will take 8 hours to charge. And if you want to test at the end of the day if the fan is fully charged, you can always plug it into the electricity. Do not turn it on though, and you will see a green light on the charger. If a red light come on, that means it's not fully charged. You can either finish charge it using electricity or you can use it as is. Let us do this testing. Okay, so we plug in our charger. You see that green light there because it's not connected to the fan as yet, so a green light will show on the adapter. When you plug it in to the fan, a red light will come on. That means this fan wasn't fully charged throughout the day. Situations such as cloudy days can result in the fan not being fully charged, or if the day is too hot, that can also reduce the level of energy going into passing through the solar panel to get to the battery to charge the fan. So in a case like this, you can either use electricity to finish charge it, or you can use the fan as is. And remember guys, you don't have to use electricity to use the fan. You don't need electricity to use the fan. You can always unplug and use the fan as is. 3-in-1 solar fan, meaning that the fan is charged by the sun through the panel. You can also use electricity to recharge the fan. The fan also has a USB port which can be used to recharge your cell phone. As you can see right here, my phone is currently plugged in, charging, and there is a LED light on the fan as well. So it's 3-in-1. What more do you want?